Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So Drishyam 3 teaser they have released. So
Yes.
Drishyam 3 is coming, right?
Yes.
I never thought that Drishyam 3 will come. So
Yeah, we thought actually Drishyam 2 was the
was
last
the last
one.
the
but,
way it ended, but there
Yeah.
was some hint also.
Some
it
hint
may
also, it
come,
may come. Correct.
next part as well. So here it is the teaser they have released.
We are so happy that this one has come because
Correct.
it's a genius movie,
Exceptional movie.
masterpiece movie. So
Right.
I still remember the part 1 and part 2. We cannot even differentiate which one is the best.
Correct.
Now I think part 3, another best is coming into the picture.
We are not ready for
We are
this.
not ready for this, but we are ready for this also, right? So we have Mohanlal sir here in this movie,
course.
the incredible one. So May 21st को रिलीज होने वाली है. उससे पहले टीजर देख लेते हैं, फिर बात करेंगे. बट उससे पहले if you are new to this channel guys, please do subscribe us and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes. And also please follow us on Instagram.
क्या तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
ഞാൻ വെറും ഒരു സാധാരണക്കാരനാണ്.
Ordinary man can
എന്റെ
do it.
ഭാര്യയും മക്കളും അടങ്ങുന്ന ഒരു കൊച്ചു ലോകം. ആ സ്വകാര്യതയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കപ്പെടാതെ ഒരു അതിഥി വന്നു. ഞങ്ങളുടെ കുടുംബം ശിഥിലമാക്കാൻ കെൽപ്പുള്ള ഒരു അതിഥി. ഇനി ഒരിക്കലും തിരിച്ചു വരില്ല എന്ന ഉറപ്പോടെ എന്നേക്കുമായി ആ അതിഥിയെ ഞങ്ങൾ മടക്കി അയച്ചു.
It's like a case that is closed, but will never close. സത്യത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ അയാളെയല്ല നിരീക്ഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്, അയാൾ നമ്മളെയാണ്.
2026.
ജനിച്ചപ്പം മുതൽ തുടങ്ങിയതാണ് എൻ്റെ ഈ യുദ്ധം. സ്വന്തമെന്ന് പറയാൻ ആരുമില്ലായിരുന്നു. കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് അധ്വാനിച്ച് ഞാൻ സ്വന്തമാക്കിയതാണ് എൻ്റെ കുടുംബം. അത് തകരുമെന്നൊരു ഘട്ടം വന്നപ്പോ മുന്നും പിന്നും ചിന്തിക്കാതെ പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു പോയി. അതിനിടയിൽ ആരൊക്കെ വേദനിക്കുന്നെന്ന് ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയില്ല. ഇപ്പൊ പേടിയാ സാറേ. ഇതുപോലെ ഇനി ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല.
Oh, another person is watching that. Oh man, this Kismat.
Something they have kid. Written and directed by Jeetu, right? So 21st
Seriously, this guy
May.
written. Like
Correct.
how
The way
he has written,
the way
matlab it's-
seriously he has written part 1 and part 2. It was like that
Correct.
we were thinking let's not stop now. Let's
Yeah.
not stop now. Right? We are not ready to stop at that point of the time. We are thinking keep on watching it. The way the lot of turns and twisted they have
Correct.
seen, and it was looking so real also.
Yes,
right?
very real.
I was expecting
Very much.
I was expecting at least this third part it will be ended, right?
It will be the end, I think so.
I
but
think so.
we
But
never
yeah,
know.
lot of
We never know.
correct. It
Anything
can become
happen.
a big franchise.
Yes,
as well.
actually, Jeetu Joseph, I just want to talk about this. Like, he is a fantastic writer. You know, like the part 1 also, when we like began to watch this Drishyam 1 movie, you know, in 2013, that time it actually like created sensation. Like people used to love this movie, you know, used to talk about the movie and all, used to talk about mainly Mohanlal sir's acting, which is of course great, but I think the storyline we should commend this thing also. It's a commendable job,
Storyline also
the way
plays
the storyline like the story flows. Even in the second part also, we never imagine कि ऐसा हो सकता है, right?
Correct.
I still remember the day when we watched this movie. It was 3 a.m. in the night. We
Night,
watched-
yes, when it got released
when
in
it-
OTT.
In OTT, we watched that movie.
Right.
It was 3 a.m. at night,
We
and
finished,
we
finished
finished
watching,
it. At
right.
that time, our
I
Betu
think
was not
Prime
there.
or somewhere it got
we
released.
didn't have
that time.
child that time, so we actually, I was feeling sleepy, but we were like, no, we have to watch this movie
But
today
yes,
itself.
once we started, there was no
Wow,
sleepiness.
no sleepiness, and yes, I think for part 3 also I'm super duper ready.
And
you know,
of course,
May
we
21st
love
को
we
release होने
love a
वाली है.
movie, any movie wherever a lot
Yeah.
of crime and thriller kind of the movies are there.
Yeah.
Right. So we love this
We
movie. a
love
lot.
this kind of, and the flow also, the way the movie was flowing, you know, the story was like going on, it was unparalleled. You know, this Drishyam is one of the bestest movie out there. I think all the parts, ये part 3 कैसा होगा पता नहीं अभी, but I have full faith that this is also going to be a super duper hit.
No doubt.
No doubt. So yes, so much excited for this one. This is only the teaser. We did not understand much about it. It was like he was giving some you know,
His inner feeling,
inner
inner
feeling
thought,
actually.
right.
Yes, that I was born for doing the struggle in my life. It was a
Ordinary man,
never
I
ending
was,
thing,
like
like that he was
that,
telling,
yes, sir.
right? But
So,
it
I
did
think-
not
I think,
reveal any
nothing-
story or
nothing
anything
they have
here.
revealed here,
No.
but yes, maybe
Trailer mein hoga
trailer
shayad.
or some glimpse or something, if it comes
Yes.
before 21st May, then I think it may reveal something.
Reveal some context or something we will understand. So we have still time. Maybe a lot of things will be coming. Trailer, uske baad video songs and all of thing. Maybe. So yes, we are super ready for that. Stay tuned for that. And yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our reaction. If you do so, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. And also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.